Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I just bought a load of chopper stuff. We are offering for sale this chopper seat, king queen seat. The length of the seat from the edge to the front is right around 27 and a half inches. Okay, the height in the back is right around 20. Okay, I'm looking at the bottom here. Now, it looks like one of the studs has been cut, probably for mounting or something like that. So I don't think the seat is new, but it's super nice. So this stud should look like this. And we have the two studs here in the back. It was mounted before, so we have a couple issues here of the sissy bar or something or fender hitting it. But this is actually a pretty nice seat. If you look right here, we got a couple maybe paint stains that might come out. All we did was we just wiped it off, but it's nice. It is missing a button right here. This button's missing, but it still has nice foam to it. So I don't think it's been used very much. So we're going to be offering this for sale. If there's any interest out there, give us a call and we'll get together. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.